Have you ever wondered what would happen if you only bought meme coins? Well, we decided to test it out with this portfolio, buying meme coins. Can we become millionaires? Are we going to lose it all? Well, there's no in between when it comes to memes. You either get rich or die trying, as they say. But like anything, there are a few little tricks to making money with meme coins. Sometimes it is dumb luck. Okay, it's mostly dumb luck, guys. Come on, meme coins. But sometimes, just sometimes, it can be a calculated win. And in this video, I'm going to show you the difference between dumb luck and calculated wins and how to maybe get a calculated win. What really happens when you go full on ape in a portfolio full of memes. Risk disclosure, of course. Memes are risky. You can lose all your money, obviously. That's not a recommendation to buy any of the coins mentioned. This is for entertainment purposes only. You can watch us either lose or make a bunch of money. Stick around to the end to find about the final portfolio results. To get started, we had to set a limit. Limits are important. What am I willing to lose? Well, I'd hate to lose anything, obviously. Keep it all. But $1,000 for the potential of meme coin greatness does feel like a pretty good place to start. Real $1,000 cash money on the line. And since I never want to go really all in on anything, I'm going to split this up into 10 different meme coins, $100 each. Now, what should I get? Well, to be safer, if there's even really such a thing that can be said when it comes to meme coining, I'm going to invest half into well-known and well-established meme coins, grabbing the OG classics like the 690 Dogecoin, 4.2 million SHIB, just for the lulz, right? We also got some Bonk, some WEM, because cat coins are important. Shiba's counterpart, Bone. With the remaining funds, I wanted to find a real chance for some real gains. We're going to throw it into the really low cap degenerate stuff. I'll need to walk through some meme coin back alleys. Those day zero coins. Buying any meme coins already the riskiest way probably to invest your crypto money. But this, well, day one meme coins, first launch, hot off the press. It's kind of like gambling, if we're being honest here. Diversified mostly into cats and dogs, by the way. I decided also to get some silly dragons, some crazy bunnies, and some goose coin called Honk. That's real stuff. While also adding a newer non-animal token called GameStop coin. But I still had one left to pick. So I did what any serious meme coiner would do. I made a list of new projects and old projects and then just spun the wheel. Let the crypto gods decide my fate. And we came up with Ninja. Ninja it shall be. Only a few minutes after getting my Memefolio together, 60% had already lost value. Cool. Well, the remaining meme coins picked up the slack, which was good. Surprisingly, we get some instant gratification here, portfolio-wise as well. And it didn't quite go the way that I thought it would. By the end of the first week of investing only in meme coins, I can instantly see the appeal of meme coins. I mean, who the heck doesn't want to double their portfolio in a week? It's pretty cool. But do you see why? Well, it's nothing I spent considerable time researching, actually, again, with meme coins, right? And it's definitely not one of those OG big market cap meme coins, which, really aren't going to make that kind of money. It's just dumb luck. And dumb luck can definitely take all the credit for this win. The early bird got the win for Ninja with an insane 1,000% gain. That now makes up half of the entire portfolio. Well, I could just sell it and walk away. Where's the fun in that? We got to keep it running. Bet more, gamble more. I want to shake things up a bit. Find some fresh meme coins. So I'm going to take my biggest loser of the week, which was GameStop. We're going to swap that out for something new. So cut the meme that isn't keeping up. Focus on the new ones. That's what obviously works the best. So here's the part of the video where I'm going to start taking this whole meme coin thing a bit more serious. Like serious investing here, guys. Come on. Instead of just looking at what's new and cool, we're actually going to go in and we're going to do some deeper on-chain analysis and find the best damn meme coin to swap my GameStop for. So I'm using a lesser-known tool called Bird Eye in hopes of finding that hot potential and farming a hot potential drop here. But you can use Dex Screener or Dex tools if you like as well. The process is about the same. Now, as these names suggest, these tools let you get a top-down view of all activity happening across a bunch of different networks. Since I want to find the best potential coin, I'm going to leave it on all chains, then choose the view more option from the trending token list. Unsurprisingly, 9 of the 10 most traded meme coins are on Solana. Pretty hot place for memes right now. Showcasing it is, of course, the busiest network for meme coins, while also explaining why the majority of this portfolio is made up of Solana based meme coins, because it doesn't take long to see the insane amount of money moving into memes on Solana right now. Comparing 24-hour volume, views of the project, and the total value locked, there is a clear and undisputed winner. Boom. Book of Meme. But before we get into that, here's a quick reminder that if you're not already signed up to the Wealth Mastery newsletter, then it's about damn time you do it. It's always the perfect time to do it, of course, to join our community of 120,000 free weekly readers. You can sign up for free, again, today, using the link down below in the description for all the latest on altcoin gems, NFTs, technical analysis, yes, meme coins, DeFi, farming, crypto news, and much, much more. Check it out, or the pinned comment on X, where you can also find a link for it. Taking a closer look at BOEM now, I can see there's more buying than selling, almost $24 million in buys with only 18 in sales. Great sign. Great sign. There's also almost 13,000 holders in just a few hours. Yet another good sign. Isolating the biggest trades, also known as whale watching. I started tracking these bigger movements. This is a lot of activity for just a few minutes. So I do nothing. I just keep watching. See if these numbers can hold up, or is this just a temporary run before the potential rug pull, the dump down to zero? Well, with first big pullback, I see massive amounts of continued capital inflow coming to BOEM. And the amount of holders has gone up 400%. I should look closer at some of these whales, make sure that they are not just bots. I see that the trade activity of the biggest buyers all show just buying. Yeah, I'm about 90% sure these aren't just some random guys going YOLO into a meme coin. Something is going on here. At least not a meme coin that's a few hours old. Fishy even for whales. No selling? This looks more like exchanges buying, perhaps. Either way, this is definitely the best thing to swap for that GME for sure. The buying pressure for BOEM insane right now. So goodbye GameStop and hello Book of Meme. Let's get it. Now, let's fast forward a little bit, and really WTF just happened to our portfolio. So opening up the portfolio almost a week later took me by complete surprise. I knew that Book of Meme was going to be a good pick, but I didn't expect a 15x that quickly. That's crazy, man. Guess that whole on-chain analysis thing kind of made a bit of sense after all, didn't it? Who'd have known? Fundamentals and memes, possible. Well, I couldn't have possibly known that Book of Meme would be the fastest growing meme coin basically ever. I was able to get in before everyone else was able to get in. And speaking of getting in early, that's exactly what happened with Ninja 2. But damn, I could have just gone all in on BOEM. Would have made a lot more money, huh? Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Damn you, Dogecoin and all the big caps. Anyway, speaking of that, should I sell the Ninja now? Nah, this chart still looks pretty awesome, doesn't it? And BOEM isn't even a week old. If it can go from 1,000 to 6,000, can it go from 6,000 to 20,000 or heck, even $30,000? That's the meme coin dream, right? Like all meme coin gamblers, I try to convince myself that this is what's going to happen. I'm going to be the exception and be the multimillionaire out of this. I know it's got to go higher. So I should look at what's new again. Playing the biggest loser, I continued swapping out the old for the new. Those crazy bunnies, they lost 80% of their value. Guess that was a pretty crazy bunny, huh? A losing bunny. Now it's on to Mutai, the latest and greatest meme coin AI technology or Japanese motor oil. One of the two, whatever. It doesn't really matter. If the price goes up, it's good. Bye-bye to our silly dragons. You're dead to me now, dragons. Get out of here. I'm more interested in dog cat coin instead. Now I'm just going to sit back, let the portfolio do its thing a little bit. Now, I obviously know what I'm doing here. We're going to make much money, right? Right? But of course, obviously, guys, there's always some lessons learned, and things don't tend to go as planned. I mean, shit, look at this. Here we go. I should have sold that ninja. A week later, hindsight again, right? Losing $2,500, not what I expected, but can I really be that upset? Sure, I missed out on selling at the all-time high, but I still got a 250% return in just a month on this meme coin. It's not the worst, is it? Plus, if I sold and it had gone to $20,000, I feel like that would have been even worse. The missed opportunity. But as you can see, if it wasn't for Balm and Ninja, then this portfolio would look completely different and a bit pathetic. If we're keeping a real, old projects like SHIB, Doge, Bonk, they did almost nothing. They're multi-billion-dollar market cap coins. The expectation should be pretty low. Well, every clear winner was, of course, a brand new coin, turning $100 into over $4,000. Can be done, but not without a lot of work and even more luck on your side. This is also one of the biggest problems with meme coins. Everyone is chasing the hot new thing, the newest coin in the market. You either sell at the top or risk watching it slowly go back down to zero, because you have to remember these are just memes. There's no actual value behind any of this stuff. Really, no team of developers creating some beneficial financial service or product to help humanity out and all that BS. No, it's just a bunch of pictures on a blockchain, man. That's it. That's it. Ultimately, this portfolio made money just for being in the right place at the right time, which is so much of the meme coin game, to be honest. As a trend and a strategy, it can't possibly last forever. It is kind of unsustainable, a bit exhausting for every new coin to be essentially a ticking time bomb in many ways, and the amount of coins that actually make it very small. And while it may look like this is the best way to invest, it's really not. And any of these coins could fall flat on their face in a heartbeat, going to zero like that. Like all the new ones you can't see left dead at the bottom of the list, okay? Because it's happened. Honk, Crazy Bunny, and that's just stuff that dies a natural death. You still have to worry about, of course, rug pulls, which happen all the time, like that dog cat coin. Yeah, ouch. Lost 99.9% of its value like that. So unless you're willing to spend all of your time searching for the next big meme, and some people do that, and some people can do it successfully, it's its own kind of game, but it's an exhausting game. While also trying to make sure that the coins you own don't die overnight, it's tough, okay? It's very hard to reliably make money with memes, even if they're a full-time thing. And it's fun while it lasts for sure, but when the music stops, watch out. Only those that are early enough are able to, of course, get in it at the right time and then able to stomach those 50% losses in the end. Now, if I was someone that bought Boom or Ninja at the exact top, that's exactly the position we'd be in. We would have just lost truckloads of money. So I'm cashing out my Ninja position and happily accepting a 17x win, paying myself back for the initial investment and grabbing a nice little bit of 75% profit in the process. Maybe I'll buy more memes and keep on rolling the dice in the meme coin space, and then put it back into a more stable place like Bitcoin with any wins that I get. Haven't quite decided yet how all that's going to play out, but either way, I still have a decent meme folio here that's played out. Book a meme, SHIB, Doge, Bone, Bonk, and a little bit of that Mew airdrop that I'm holding for when. Still, though, this is really the new paradigm of money in crypto right now, and I'd like to be invited to the after party when it comes, to be honest. Look, meme coins are fun. Understand them for what they are. Understand how the game works, and you might be able to make a bit of money. But you can also lose a lot of money real fast, okay? Thanks for watching.